I have behind me the brand new 2022 LCI X4M Competition. And I'm going to give you guys an in-depth look at this new vehicle. This is the first production unit that we had since BMW did that life cycle impulse for the new X3 and the X4, and of course that M variant. So X4M customer ordered, waiting for delivery. I thought I would bring it to the front and showcase it for all of you guys so you get an in-person view of this beautiful spec. We do have the carbon black exterior with the black merino leather on the inside. I'm going to hop behind the camera, talk about what the changes that BMW did from the 2021 to the 2022 model, what's everything that's new about this facelift, and what you can expect if you're looking to order up an X4M. So here we have our carbon black 2022 X4M Competition. We notice the redesigned front LED headlights. Now this vehicle doesn't have it, but you do have the option to go for the full-fledged laser light headlights, but these are going to be your new standard ones. You can see I have a 2021 X4M Competition. You can slightly see from far away, different headlight design. And you have a whole different front bumper. Kidney grills are a little wider, closer to the headlights, as well as connected in the center with your front camera in that black section right there. Redesign front bumper with the air intakes. Whenever they go for a life cycle impulse, you always get a new front end design, and this is what it is. Different headlights, different grille, and a whole different front bumper, and mirror caps on the side, and these beautiful M Performance rims. Now, these are 21s in the front and 21s in the back. They're similar to X6M rims as well as M3, M4 rims, except they're just in high gloss black and not bicolor like you would get on an X6M. Blue M Sport brakes are the standard. Your black air vent there with the chrome badging in the center. At the back, we have a redesigned rear bumper. I believe the taillights did stay the same, but the rear bumper design, you can see the black cutout here. Kind of looks like a puzzle piece up and down the center, coming across here. Then you have the M Sport exhaust system. Inside on the trunk, nothing has really changed. You still have your privacy covers that are disconnectable. We do include rubber mats when we sell our vehicles. The back rubber mats. Looks like there is an extra liter of oil here. And your rear storage for the X4M. And to close, low comfort access. Wipe with the foot. There we go. Full power tailgate. And then all the other changes are on the inside. So normally when BMW does their facelift, you get new headlights, slightly redesigned taillights and bumpers. Went big on the X4M, and we have a whole redesigned center console here. So on this side, we have Harman Kardon sound system, aluminum trim, ambient lighting, all black merino leather, X4M door sill, got the M pedals. This is the black merino leather with the honeycomb pattern. Illuminated M in the headrests. And then on the inside, we have this whole redesign. So larger infotainment screen. Comes closer forward as well. It's bigger. Then coming down, all new air vents, all new climate controls. Your 1 through 8 radio buttons are different. So all of this whole center console here got redesigned, and it's now pretty much the same as the X5M, X6M. It's no longer separate and different. You have the live copper professional BMW M Sport steering wheel with the tricolor stitching, the gap here, and your M1, your M2s on the side. But all the big differences are all here. Full iDrive 7 now, so remote engine start is available. Also comfort door access 2.0. Get to that in a little bit. X4M. One thing that is missing compared to a 21 though, wireless charging tray has been removed. Is not even an option from the factory due to all of the COVID and current restrictions. Then you have this new center console basically for your transmission controller. It's now new for the 2022. Basically what you get in an M8, M5, X5M, X6M, And you'll have your updated iDrive controller. Now is one piece instead of being like two separate segments. And your push button start is moved from down, now it's down here instead of being up right here. It's now moved down here. And you have all your controls, M mode set up, the exhaust valves, electronic parking brake. So all of this is new for that LCI X4M. Then your center console here, you just have one USB-C port. Still big sunroof. So another one of the features that is new with the full iDrive 7 on the 2022 X4M is remote engine start. 1, 2, 3. Triple click the lock button. The vehicle will remote engine start. You can also do that through the My BMW app as well. Ooh, it's loud. And you triple click to turn it off. You can also do that on the My BMW app with remote engine start. Okay, so another feature that is new for the 2022 X4M is the fact that comfort door access is updated, and as you walk away, boom, it automatically unlocks. As you can see, I did not press the lock button, it does it automatically. And as soon as you walk back towards the vehicle, it will automatically unlock once you get close. And boom. So automatically locks by proximity, which is beautiful. You can drop your key in your pocket or your purse. You just walk away from your car and it'll automatically lock for you. You walk towards it, automatically unlocks. Remote engine start, and that, two beautiful new options for the new X4M. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little in-depth video of what the changes are on the 2022 X4M competition. If you guys are in Toronto and you're interested in ordering up one of these bad boys, feel free to reach out to me on my email down below. You know, anybody else who's in the market for a BMW, send them this video, send them my information. I would be happy to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if you made it all the way to the end. Subscribe to the channel for more BMW content in the future, and I'll see you next time.